Hello there, we just got done watching the Netflix film Beverly Hills Cop, Axel F. This came out in 2024. It's an action movie that is a 1 hour and 57 minute long rated R film. The premise of this is 40 years after his unforgettable first case in Beverly Hills, Detroit cop Axel Foley returns to what he does best: solve crimes and create chaos. I really didn't enjoy this that much. I felt like the acting was great, the casting was great. I just didn't like the storyline. I felt like it was a little played out. A lot of guest
appearances too.
Yeah, a lot of guest appearances, but the acting in general,
it was
or the story in general, to me, it just was slow and kind of boring. It wasn't really very interesting. Throughout the entire movie, they do try to do callbacks to jokes and moments from the original. I don't know, I didn't enjoy it. There is a lot of action in it. There's car action, there's shooting action, there's chasing action. But, yeah, it's not one that I would recommend. I would give this... honestly, I'd probably give this a 1 out of 5 stars. That's how much I wasn't impressed with it. What would you give it? I know. What would you give it out of 5 stars?
3, 2.5.
2.5 to 3?
Yeah, the story really is kind of old and overdone.
I'll see if I can find a link to the trailer of this. If you've seen Beverly Hills Cop, Axel F, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not seen this film yet, have you seen any in the Beverly Hills Cop franchise? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video.